Welcome to my Sunday. This is where I can spend some time relaxing, as well as spend some time prepping for the week. The husband unit spent some time sorting candy for Halloween for the kids. I spent time prepping garlic to put in the oven to roast for hummus a little bit later on. Next, it was on to chopping vegetables. I was preparing all of these so I would have them ready when I wanted to snack on veggies and hummus throughout the work week. Washing and drying the lettuce, and then I moved on to prepping my breakfast for the week. And this week, it'll be oatmeal every day. It makes it easier to make it all at the Sunday and just heat it up throughout the week. While the oatmeal was cooking, I decided to do a little planner prep for the week. I use a digital planner on my iPad, and I have lots of digital stickers, including digital post-it notes. So I like to plan out my week and highlight the key things that I need to get done. Now that the garlic's been roasted, I can mix up the hummus, and I'll have the hummus and the veggies all ready to go for this week's snacks. Now that all my work is done for Sunday, I'm relaxing with an adult beverage, in this case an Oktoberfest, because it is October. I tried to convince the cat to relax with me, but she wasn't having any of that, so I decided to just give myself a cheers and hang out on the couch by myself.